Hey you guys, we found another beach closer to our property, closer to Homestead Nature, and this is the view of the beach. It's windy, it's a little bit windy outside, but the water is clean, and this is the view. So right here is the ocean, and over here there's a river down here. I think people come and do fishing over here. I'm trying to take you guys and take you guys to see the river. I don't know how far I can get to it because see, it's a flowing stream. The stream flows from the river into the ocean, and there's a lot of rocks here. A lot of rocks that's here. This scene here kind of reminds me of the movies, the Disney movies that they made. You know, even the black and white movies and the movies like in the 70s and 60s, how you see this kind of scenery with the trees and the river. Is so beautiful. It's more beautiful in person. The video don't show how beautiful it really is, but just to give you guys an idea, look at that. It's a beautiful river down there. I think people take their boats and they do fishing down there. Let me see if I can go further on. So we find this beach by accident. After we did our survey, we decided to go walk down by the forest behind our homestead, and when we did that, we accidentally found out about this beach. We found out about this beach and this river, this lake. I don't know if it's a lake or a river, but look how beautiful it is, you guys. And this beach is closer than the first beach that I show you guys near our homestead. It's even closer. The river and the beach is even closer. So we feel so blessed to find this place. You know, I can't wait to take my bike to the homestead in the future and be able to ride my bike sometime down here when my husband is using the car or he's not home. I can take my bike and ride it down here sometime. And there's more of a view up there. I don't know if it's a private property up there or not. We haven't walked by there yet. But here, this beach down here is open to the public. So you guys, I want to show you something. You see that hill over there with the sun and the trees up there? There's some campers and trailers at the end right there. Somewhere around here, I believe that somewhere around here behind our property, beside our property, they will open up a road in the future that will get access to come down to this beach in the future. So we don't know exactly where our property is, where our homestead is down here. We don't know exactly where it is, but we know that there will open up a road in the future. Maybe they might put stairs on the cliff here or something like that, where they will open up a road that will directly give access to come straight down to this beach down here. So I am glad that we did the survey, because the survey motivated us to just hike through the forest, and we found, look at these rocks. We found this beach by accident, by hiking through the forest. So we had to drive. We drove actually to come down here to the beach, but if we did keep walking straight down from the forest, we would have come to the cliff, one of the cliff that I'm showing you guys. But when we were walking through the forest, we turned another direction, and that direction lead us to this beach by accident. And this beach is even closer than the other beach that I showed you last year. I think I probably delete that video of that beach, but this is even more private. It's only the locals know about this beach. The other beach, some tourists, they're starting to come more often there, but it's still quiet, still beautiful there and still quiet there. But this beach is mostly the locals know about this beach here.